show you how to do this makeup tutorial for the day. It requires very little stuff and you can achieve this look in just easy in 3, 2, 1, action! It's different makeup because it's for low maintenance girls. So you put makeup for just 5 minutes. So let's get started. Hey, she's my main audience. I just took a shower. So, of course, before putting a makeup on, clean your face with some toner. I am using this Garnier Bio Toner. It's to cleanse your face. Like that, oh. Mga vlogger like this, oh. Feeling vlogger. So this is my first makeup video, so please bear with me. My main language is not English, so I am speaking Bisaya and Tagalog and English. Rub up in the upper part, like, and then after cleansing your face, you have to moisturize it. We have to moisturize it. You have many choices how to moisturize your face. For me, sometimes I use this Margarita. You can only find this in Lithuania, but I really like it. It's not expensive and it's really good for your skin. So what I'm putting right now is Garnier Light Complete. I like this one because it has a UV protecting mechanism. What is it? Protects your face from the rays from the sun. I always have my Bisaya accent wherever I go, even if I speak Tagalog or English. I wouldn't want to change it. So for the moms out there, you can do this while your babies are sleeping or you're putting your babies to sleep. Just use my fingers because you know what they say, the best applicator are your fingertips. Since we are doing the low maintenance makeup, we don't need contour or any concealer. Or if you want to conceal something in your face, then you can. I like my natural color for my face, so let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Oh, let it be. First is we have to do something with the eyes because it depends on you how you want to modify it, but for me, I want to make it look bigger. Avon, this is what my mom gave, so it has everything on it. Neutral colors because I like neutral colors. I am using this and this. I really like it, so I'm gonna put it in my eyes. First is this lighter one. Yeah. This is your base color. I am not a makeup artist, but you know, I just saw this in some vlogs, so I'm just copying it. It looks natural and it's simple, so I like simple and natural looking makeup. Yes, and put this in your crest like this and this, like that. It's okay however it is. And I also extend it until here. This is our goal for today. Let's not put much to look natural at the same time low maintenance. So I want to put some nose bridge here, a little bit, just to make it a bit tinier. And then blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it. I have this since how many years ago and I didn't bother buying another one. It's still usable, right? Like I put eyeliner like this one, Nichido. So many. The color is hazelnut. So I am putting it under, you see? Under your upper eyelid. My goal for this one is to make your eyes look more precise but natural. Using the same Nichido eyebrow pencil, I'm also gonna use it for my eyebrow. So as you can see, my eyebrow is already defined because I had it microbladed when I was in Philippines 2 years ago. It's already fading because it was just one session that I have attended because it was really very painful and I didn't want to do it again. So now I'm waiting for it to fade. So basically I'm just filling up the empty parts of my eyebrow. And you can also use your mascara. You can also use mascara to define your eyebrow. You see? Define. It looks nice. Improvise. Whatever you have, use it. This is a mascara. It's L'Oreal mascara. I really like it. I know people are saying that you have to use your makeup for at least 6 months and then buy a new one. But you know, if you want to be economical, you don't want to buy a lot. Okay. It's lifting my eyelashes. Guys, nakita, uy! Ouch, it's painful. Gosh, I really need to translate it all the time. I don't know what language should I use. English, Bisaya, Tagalog. By the way, Bisaya and Tagalog are two main languages in Philippines. It's good that I know them. This white one, I think it enhances the volume of your eyelashes. Put under as well.
Ang bata nga si Olivia, matulog na. Si Mami kay nabisi man og makeup.
And you don't need those thousands and thousands of makeup to be beautiful, you know? So I have put the mascara 1 and 2. You can also use your lipstick as a blush on. Do you know that? Maybe this lipstick, it's into it. I really like this color. Pink Alarm. Pink Alarm. Okay, put heart. Ay, hala, dagan kaayo. It's so many. Yes, it's heart. Love. Put it in my lips a little bit because I don't want to put much. Just tap it like this. Because if you're gonna be in a hurry, so you have to do this like that. So I gotta know that my camera was low bat, and now I have to record on my phone. So yes, let's continue. My other hand is holding the phone, okay? So I'm just gonna use this, okay? Oh my gosh. Look.
Hiya, Georgie.
Okay, don't worry. It's an art, you know. The first few times when you do an art, it's really not the best, so don't worry. I will fix it. Maybe next time just don't put too much because I look like a clown or I look like someone punched me. You know, we call it baking. We need to wait for like 1 minute. After 1 minute. Hi, I'm back! So we have to do something with this. I have an idea. I have these pads. So we have to reduce a little bit. So this pad is what I'm using to cleanse my face. Oh my gosh. Wait for a while. I need to do something with it. I'm gonna use a little bit of toner to remove the extra ones. Oh my, look at this. It looks like a high quality makeup. Oh, I think using lipstick as your blush on is okay.
Few moments later.
I think I'm funny because look at the effect. See, if you just have your lipstick with you, put it in your lips and then put some on your cheeks, a little bit on your cheeks. Don't do what I did, just put a little bit and ta-da! It's so easy. So again, I'm gonna show you what I have used in this makeup tutorial. It's a mascara, eyelash curler, any eyelash curler will do, Eyeshadow that I use for eyebrow and the eyes, and a little brush for your eyeshadow, and then I also have a set of eyeshadow here, and lastly I have this lipstick that I use for my cheeks and lips. If you have a lipstick, you can use this for your eyeshadow and then cheeks and lips. I think it doesn't matter, It doesn't matter as long as you know how to put it. But of course, I forgot to show you the whole thing, the finished product when I removed my hair cover. So here it is. Like, it's still wet because I just took a shower. So yeah, this is the finished product. It's a bit too shiny, but I think it will work to anyone. It's a low maintenance, you don't need much, but it's the way how you put it that matters. Thanks! Ikaw ang binibini na ninanais ko. Bush! Bye!